Hey guys, welcome back to week 2 of our Home for the Holiday challenge, where we're tackling outerwear, so coats and shoes, winter gear. Half of that stuff in our house belongs here in the garage, which is a hot mess. It's a dumpster fire. It's an absolute embarrassment, but I'm showing you because this is real life. So I'm gonna show you how to declutter and go through your shoes and outerwear, even if your rest of the space is a total mess. We're focusing on just what we can do today, and I'll also carve out a little space to make it even more organized. So this is the spot in our garage where we put all of our winter stuff to dry. It's a heated garage, so snow pants, winter coats. We also keep shoes in here. We have a mudroom, but that's more for our day-to-day. All our extra stuff gets stored in here, and it's extra up in here. I also want to show you our hidden area. In this cabinet is where we store all of our off-season coats, so we store our spring in the winter and vice versa. It's also where we have extra shoes, but it's a hot mess in here. So I'm going to start by taking everything out, making a pile of shoes, a pile of coats, and then deciding what stays and what goes. Ideally, this shelf is totally going to go. I would love to see a spot for all of my purses and handbags and all of our reusable shopping bags. We need hanging space more than we need this, so I'm gonna find a spot to relocate this and create a larger mudroom area. Okay, so I'm starting with making 2 giant piles. Coats and shoes. And then after I've made all of the piles, then I'm gonna go through and declutter. So are we Marie Kondoing right now? We're condoing. We're condoing right now. This is totally what we're doing. Oh, and I'd rather be doing literally anything else. And this, friends, is why you take everything out. Because, what? This is only half our shoes too, because the other half are in the mudroom. Okay, let's do this, man. I mean, this is why I want you to take all of your shoes and put them in a pile. I'm gonna lie and say this is all of my shoes, but I'm shocked and flabbergasted. So now it's time to go through the pile. I'm going to start with shoes and make a keep and a donate pile right now. So now we're tackling the coats. I have 3 kids. We have 4 seasons. So, I mean, while this looks obnoxious, honestly, it's 5 of us with 4 seasons. Okay, I need you. I need you because, come on up. Which of these winter coats, look at them. This, I think you like. Can it go? It's huge on you. Also, you have like this firefly coat, this winter coat, that winter coat.
I have 2 there.
And Abby has these old hockey outfits, but they don't fit.
They don't fit to make me go. This is too big for me now.
Gone. Yay. What about any of these?
Those 2 I would like.
You would like to keep these 2. What about this one?
That goes with that one.
What about this one?
Spring jacket. I'd wear that right now if I knew where it was.
What about all of these snow pants?
We each have a set of snow pants.
What about this coat? Before I can make room for all of this stuff that we're keeping that we have to keep that's very, very important apparently, I have to, it's like a give a mouse a cookie situation. So I have to relocate the stuff that's in the cabinet at the end so I can put all of this sporting equipment in that cabinet, which means I have to relocate the stuff that's at top, which means I have to relocate the stuff that's over here so I can make space for our outerwear.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets.
Look at the mess I've made. I'm having a slight amount of regret. This is a lot. I've taken everything out. I've made a huge pile. I've made a mess, messier, but that's the way it is when you're organizing. So I'm keeping on. I'm going to find homes for all of this stuff and just basically start at this end and work my way this way to create a little mudroom in the garage.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
Who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited? I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
I'm very excited because I have an enormous purge pile. I rearranged everything and now we have this huge space to turn into a winter mudroom. So the place where we're gonna put, snow pants and drippy boots and all of that. So I'm gonna make it fabulous using the stuff we already have right now.
Look out, here she comes. Woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. But she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my
So I'm done, and honestly, no, that was a lot of work. I can't even lie. I was gonna say, it was easy, but it was a full entire day of decluttering and organizing. I ended up painting a door, but man, is it worth it. I've been neglecting this space for years because I thought it was going to be too expensive, too time consuming to do what I wanted. I still want to do the floor. I still want to paint. I still want new storage. But this challenge is all about progress over perfection. It's about using what you have, rolling up your sleeves, and getting ready for the winter and the holidays. And honestly, I'm thrilled that I did it. I hope you're feeling encouraged to go through your space too. We do have a mudroom downstairs where we keep the mittens and more shoes, believe it or not, more shoes. But we didn't have a really functional space for wet winter stuff, for boots and coats and snow pants, and now we do. I feel so prepared. It was like a weight that I didn't even know was on me has been lifted off, and I want that for you too. Don't forget, your free holiday guide is down below with lots of challenges to get organized. This week is all about outerwear, so I'm gonna help you declutter with that guide, and I made a printer-friendly version for you too, which you'll be getting in your email later this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. If you're watching and you saw me lifting things and you're like, you just had surgery 2 weeks ago, I'm stupid. I am so stupid. Yes, I did. And they were like, don't lift anything over 5 pounds because you can have a hernia. And I'm lifting shelving and this 50-pound bike rack, and I'm moving things and bags and decluttering. And it's a little achy and there's a slight bulge. Pretty sure I have a hernia. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure I hurt myself. So I'm going to be taking it easy from now on and going to see my doctor ASAP. But yeah, I'm stubborn. Okay, I am so stubborn because I feel good. I'm not supposed to be driving, and all I want to do is drive. I feel perfectly fine, so it's really hard for me to parent myself and take it easy. I don't even know what to say. I had Alicia here, and she was like, I'll help you. You shouldn't lift that. And Joe was like, I could have just asked. I could have just been like, yo, can you move this thing for me? But nope, nope, nope. So here I am, a little achy. I got a little friend bulging out to say hello, but that's how I roll. I'll see you guys next time. These are my grass cutting shoes. Do I cut grass? But like if I'm hiking in the wilderness one day, you know what I'm saying? I feel like everybody needs wrecked running shoes. You do, you need them. You need wrecked running shoes.